Hey ballers, so I'm here in front of this house and I got a story for you. So check this out. This place here, I bought it over 9 years ago. I paid $11,270 for it.
Oh baby, is this a sweet deal?
11 grand, okay? Then I flip it a couple months later for 25,000. So what's the return? Over 120% return. I know you can get into the nitty gritty and subtract all the holding costs and closing costs and all that stuff, but just keep it simple, just to give you the pictures here. So I feel like I was a rock star, right? I mean, I made over 120% return on my money. It was great. I still remember meeting with the buyer, and I mean, I was sweaty and nervous that he'll back out of the contract, but he didn't. And I walk away happy. Fast forward today, 2025. Here's the kicker. This house right here is worth 160,000. 160,000 bucks. The current owner is sitting on a 1,000% return. Okay, not quite. I exaggerated a little, but it's over 540% return. Here, look at the house, right? So it looks a little bit better now. It looks better now than it did when I bought it. Looked like the roof looks the same, but they painted it over, you know. Here's the old pictures of the house and what it looks like today. Obviously, I don't know how it looks inside, but it's a nice gate. Now, I should have kept it, right? But let me tell you why I didn't. This place came with some serious stuff. First off, the neighborhood. I mean, here, it's changed so much since I bought the house. But back then, this neighborhood was sketchy. It was real sketchy. I had burglar bars on the front door, and then last time I came back, it was gone. My lockbox where I put the keys for showing, it was gone. I mean, who steal burglar bars? And lockbox for the key, stolen too? Come on. So I had to get my contractor out here to board up the house and screw the lockbox to the wall to keep it secure. Then one time I came up, because I had this house for 2 months, right? So one time I pulled up to check on things, the front door was busted wide open. So I freaked out. And no way I was gonna walk in the house by myself, right? So I called 911. The operator told me to wait outside for the officer to show up, and I waited, and nothing happened, but it was a long few minutes, I'll tell you. And then another time, my brother-in-law came with me to check on it because, they were worried about my safety. He was packing, you know what I mean? And we were rolling up, strapped, ready for anything, right? And we were all like Axel Foley in Beverly Hills Cop, walking into this mess with a grin, gun, vibe like, don't worry, we got this. But that was not all. Here's another story about this house. I was so new, I forgot to get hazard insurance. Yep, no coverage. So if this house had caught on fire, probably wouldn't flood. But if it did, while I own it, I would have been toast. Total rookie move, right? Don't make that kind of mistake. I still remember my mentor chewing me over it. He laid it to me hard, like hard. And guess what? I got insurance right away. I haven't made that mistake since, and I probably never will. So, lesson learned. Standing here now though, can't help but wonder, what if? What if I held on? What if I tough it out and waited for this neighborhood to turn around? Like, what if I still own it today? I'll be laughing all the way to the bank with that $160,000 value. But back then, it didn't feel like a gold mine. It felt like a liability. So, hindsight is brutal, isn't it? Anyway, that's the story of this house. I doubled my money, learned some hard lessons, and got a tale I'll never forget. What do you think? Would you have stayed or bail? Hit me up. Let me know in the comment below. I've been asked a lot about passive investment, and I understand that there is nothing passive about being a landlord unless you can find a great property management company. So if you own an Airbnb, a vacation rental, or a short-term rental, and you are looking to free up your time, contact our team at Buzz Vacation Rentals at 281-549-8432 or check out our website at www.buzzvacationrentals.com. Thank you. This episode is brought to you by Jet Lending. For over 20 years, Jet Lending has been helping real estate investors succeed. They offer 100% financing so you can be in at $0 at closing. I can always count on Jet Lending to fund my deals. If you're looking to fund your next deal, contact our friend over at jetlending.com. This episode is brought to you by National Real Estate Insurance Group, a national independent insurance agency specifically for real estate investors. I personally use NREIG for my investment properties. They offer a low monthly payment option to help you to lower your cash out of pocket when buying an investment property. If you're looking for insurance coverage for your flips or your rental, reach out to them. You can click on the link in the show descriptions, or you can reach out to Jules at 816-946-8443.